kalat ke kabu ke babiang por bahasa ki samla ha kene kajuk ban tibat sngut ho shai hadin mikila yojing hikai nang nong hikai ubat tibet bat shampang khamta mi gitu ki bala shak ta ha kajing pang ya bit bashir khai ke bala tip kum ka human immunodeficiency virus HIV but acquired immunodeficiency syndrome AIDS ya ketika rensan ajing hikai la penlong de Eduwell Mission Society umsning riboy district kabala sunrop lang ban kershan ya rensan jing hikai da kabalawan college umsning bat ka social service center Shillong Archdiocese kibalawan rai uba Anthony M Yong u director Kamanbha Foundation Shillong ubal ai bon tli ki sembo jing hikai halor kumnu banyada bat pendu e jing sapryang ketika jing pang uba Anthony ulakran mat Pynshai ru halor kapang looking after drugs addict sex workers and people living with HIV hakmat ki babon ki khna school bat samla pule ha common facility center umsning riboy district ha ka arpusan tare unalar da sakhilang ha ka te karan san ajing hikai da ka jingdan lang father Pius Shadap director Eduwell Mission Society social service center Shillong Archdiocese uba Julius Kurba vice principal Balawan College nalor ki dukhot ka social service center Shillong Archdiocese bat ka Eduwell Mission Society umsning riboy district
that get HIV and not the other way around. They HIV by your view, they view by your HIV. And then, why do we have to talk and know about HIV? It is incurable. There is no cure till now. But you got your view by your HIV. That's why it has a very good relationship with intoxication. Don't get you day, but just to have a jing to art. Intoxication, jiwa dengan ikhtiar, dengan drugs, dengan beer, dengan wine, mo, kadang kecil ni macam apa kecil ni buat, but it is spreading like wildfire. It is spreading like wildfire, as English word, and it has reached at our doorsteps. It has reached at our doorstep. Lapoi, hamar Shillong GP yang mo, Riboy district, mo, and this unplanned and undesired infection by HIV has led to more than 25 million people died out of the opportunistic infections and the opportunistic illnesses. And more than 11,000 new infections across every day. This is worldwide, and more than 8,000 people died of AIDS daily. What about in India? Let's talk about Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, there are more than 5,000 people living with this virus. More than 5,000. Almost touch 6,000. Cross, I think, only cross. Right? Across 6,000. More. And do you know that almost in a day, almost 2 new infections in Meghalaya. Hakashisni, I'm going to give you lab test HIV positive. Apa Meghalaya ini? Kamu dah kisi benar nak dulu sampai plus. Apa Meghalaya ini? Nanti, buat kibir di belakang, apa Meghalaya ini kibir di belakang, now yang HIV lakukan palak berdiri sepat tam, macam tu. Sasma kita ada hati, kibir berdiri hati. Mau support hati provider treatment and therapy jangan di boros sedikit begitu. Kita ada di tesaman asni tidak dikai balak dengan kiru. Pakai koi balas yang tahu kenyang tapi terkiru kenapa susu lebih kenyang. But chances sikit but transmit sikit kalau beres. Kalau betul terbalas suppress dulu. Itu kita wajib putih lah suppress dulu but katakan chances for transmit check way back kalau very less. Okay, kadang-kadang but the test tu melakukan but kita lakukan transmit check way back. Kadang-kadang because undetectable is equal to transmittable. But hanya for kalau reduce the number of HIV infection among the adolescents.